Hey guys! Today I want to talk about 10 ways to use the word get. Okay, so you might learn it from school or you just heard it somewhere, but you have no idea what it means. I'm here to tell you that it's not as easy as it sounds because it's a very common word. It's very versatile, so people use it differently. So I'm just gonna briefly talk about the most common 10 ways to use this word in order to sound more American because, the first one is I get it. I get it could mean lots of things, but in this context, you can mean I understand something. So if someone were to explain something to you, you can say, oh, I get it now. Number 2, get out. This could be used politely or not politely, but just like in a neutral sense, but most of the time it's used to ask someone to leave. When you're angry especially. So if you were arguing with your boyfriend or girlfriend, you can ask them, hey, get out. Number 3, get there. The phrase get there could be used to indicate that you've arrived somewhere. You could say, I'll get there in 5 minutes. It means I'll be there or I'll arrive in 5 minutes. Number 4, get plus adjectives, meaning become adjective. So let's say if you are feeling hot, you could say it's getting hot. Or you can say this, meaning this situation, this is getting weird. Number 5, get somebody to do something, meaning make somebody do something. I'll get her to do my taxes, which if you're in America, we're in a tax season now. So number 6, get going. Get going means you're about to leave. So you can say, I better get going. I'd better get going means I have to go. Number 7, get to do something means is able to do something or can do something. You can say, I get to drive around a lot because you're in California. Number 8, get somebody. This phrase is used to indicate that you understand somebody better than most people. So you can say, he gets me, and it means that he understands you more than everyone else. Number 9, get this. Get this means to grab someone's attention when you're telling something surprising. So you can say, get this, I only bought this purse for $10. Number 10, get along. It means that you don't have trouble communicating with someone and being friendly with them. You can say, I get along with all of my students. So that's it for today. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos like this. Bye.